Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. I'm Hasham. Last two videos I have explained you about the least squares method of finding out the straight line trend. So in this video I'm going to start the next and last method of finding out straight line trend, that is moving average method. Very rarely they may ask you an examination regarding this method of moving average. So that's why only three problems I have selected. 8th and 9th, 10th. These three problems I'm going to explain you in this video, and this will be the last and final video on time series analysis. So already I have uploaded two videos on theory and three videos so far I have uploaded on problems on time series. So before starting the 8th problem, I expect my viewers to have a printout of the problems which I have given in the link under my description. Take the screenshot, then I'll explain. Come on, see the 8th problem. Calculate trend values by taking a 3-yearly period of moving average from the following data. Years are given from 2009 to 2022 and the sales in 1000 units are given. For 2009 it is 5. Then 2010 7 units, and it is in thousands, so 5,000, 7,000, 9,000 like that. So 3 zeros we have omitted, only 5, 7, 9, 12 like that we have taken. So what we are going to find out, 3 yearly moving averages, right? So how to proceed? Now see here, calculation of 3 yearly moving average. So first column year 2009 to 2022. And the values, sales values are given 1000 units, 5, 7, 9 like that. The same to same I have taken here. First two columns as it is. Now the next column is 3 yearly moving total. Moving total means first 3 years we take and find out the total. So first 3 years 5 plus 7 plus 9. These 3 years the total is put in the center. 2009, 2010, 2011. The center is 2010. So for this I have put one arrow mark. So the total 5 plus 7 plus 9 is 21. Now next, leave the first and include the next. That means drop this first and take 7 plus 9 plus 12. These three, again center is 2011. So 28. 7 plus 9 plus 12 is 28. Now drop 7 and then take 9 plus 12 plus 11. These 3 years total, put it in the center, 32. 9 plus 12 plus 11 is 32. Now drop 9. Now take 12 plus 11 plus 10. The center is 33. 12 plus 11 plus 10, 33. Now drop this 12. Then take 11 plus 10 plus 8. The total is 29. Center 29. Drop 11 and then take 10 plus 8 plus 12. That is 30. Put it in the center, 30. Similarly, drop this 10. 8 plus 12 plus 13. These 3 years, the total is 33. Center 33. Similarly, drop the first and then take the 3. That means 12 plus 13 plus 17, you will get 42. Then 13 plus 17 plus 19, take the total 49. 17 plus 19 plus 14, take the total 50. Then 19 plus 14 plus 13, take the total of 19 plus 14 plus 13, 46. Last one, 14 plus 13 plus 12, the total of this is 39. Take it in 39. When we take 3 yearly moving total, first year and the last year will be lost. First year put a dash and last year also put a dash. Now these are the 3 yearly moving total, but we need average. How many years total? 3 years. So divided by 3, simple average. So 21 divided by 3, you will get 7. So 7 is called 3 yearly moving average. It is already centered because 7 is relating to which year? 2010. So actual sales are 2010. Actual sales of 2010 is 7 and the average is also 2007, right? Similarly, 28 divided by 3, you will get 9.33, whereas actual value is 9. Trend value is 9.33, 3 yearly moving average. So 32 divided by 3, 33 divided by 3, all these totals should be divided by 3 because we need average. So these are the averages by dividing all these values by 3. So these are called 3 yearly moving average. No formula is required. Only the technique you must know how to calculate the average. It is odd number of years. So our problem is very simple because already it is centered. When we have taken 3 years, the middle year will be taken. The middle year will be taken. The first year 2009 and last year 2022, we will not get the average. Remaining years, we have calculated the average. So this is called 3 yearly moving average. So this is the end of the 8th problem. Now you see the 9th one. Here it is different one. Estimate the trend values using the data given below by taking 4 yearly moving averages. Previous problem, 3 yearly, odd number of years. But here 4 yearly moving average, even number of years. So it is not centered. In order to center it, we have to make one more extra column. Here how many columns totally? 1, 2, 3, 4. In 4 columns we got 3 yearly moving average. Whereas if we have 4 yearly moving average, one more extra column. So 5 columns we need. So years are given 2009 to 2022. The values are given 12, 25, 39 like that. So now we are going to calculate 4 yearly moving averages. First column, year column, same 2009 to 2022, whatever is given in the problem, same thing I have copied. Now values, 12, 25, 39, these are values given in the problem. First, next column is 4 yearly moving totals. Just like 3 yearly moving total, now we are calculating 4 yearly moving total. But unfortunately, it is not centered. The center will lie between 2 years. Now see here, 2009 12, 2010 25, 2011 39 and 2012 54. Now if you add up 12 plus 25 plus 39 plus 54, the total is 130. But 130 is not relating to any year. It is in between 2010 and 2011. So in the center of 2010-2011, I am putting an arrow mark and 130. So this 130 is not relating to a particular year. It is falling in between 2 years. That is 2010 and 2011. So similarly, you have to drop the first one. Drop 12 and take 4 years. 25 plus 39 plus 54 plus 70. These 4 years total is 188 and put it in the center. So 2010, 11, 12, 13. Center is 2011 and 2012. This center 188. Similarly, next 4 years, 39 plus 54 plus 70 plus 87. These 4 years center is here 250. Now next, 54 plus 70 plus 87 plus 105. It comes to 360. Next 87, 105, then no 70, 87, 105, 100. If you take this 4, the total is 362. Like this, we have to drop the first year and include the next year, right? 1 year you have to drop, the next year you have to include. Like this moving way, we have to calculate the totals. So we got the 4 yearly moving totals. Now it is not centered. Centered in the sense the total is not relating to a particular year. The total is falling in between 2 years. Now we have to center it. That means every total should relate to a particular year. For that purpose, one extra column we need. That extra column is 2 period moving total. Here we don't have 2 period moving total because already centered. 2 period moving total. That means we have to take the total of 130 plus 188. 130 plus 188 is 318. Now put this 318 in the center of these two values. If you put it in the center, it is relating to 2011. That means 318 is relating to the year 2011. Right? Similarly, 188 plus 250, it comes to 438. In between this 188 and 250, it is relating to the year 2012. Now it is centered. That means the total should relate to a particular year. Similarly, for 566, 250 plus 316, total is 566. Now this is center, that is 2013. Like this, we have to calculate the 2-period moving total. So what is happening here? First 2 years are lost. We don't have the total for 2009 and 2010. We have the total for 2011. So if we make 4 yearly moving average, first 2 years and the last 2 years will be lost. That means we don't have the totals. When we don't have the total, we can't calculate the average. But in the case of 3 yearly moving, 1 year first year and the last year, only 1 year will be lost. Here 2 years will be lost. Now we need 4 yearly moving average. This total 318 is for how many years? 8 years. Because this 130 is for 4 years and this 188 is also for 4 years. So 4 year total 180, 4 year total 188. So if you add up these two, it will be the total for 8 years. So divide by 8. 318 divided by 8, you will get 39.75. Remember, this is the new point. Here directly we have divided by 3. 3 yearly moving total divided by 3. We got 3 yearly moving average. But here we have taken 4 yearly moving total. It is not centered. To make it center, we have taken 2-period moving total. So 318 divided by 8, you will get 39.75. This 39.75 is relating to which year? 2011. The actual value of 2011 is 39, whereas average value is coming to 39.75. This is the trend value. According to moving average, trend value is 39.75. Similarly, 438 divided by 8, you will get 54.75. Actual value is 54. Trend value is 54.75. Similarly, divide all these values by 8. You will get 4 yearly moving averages. Last year, you see, this is 2020. We don't have 2021, 2022, 2020. The actual value is 34, whereas trend value is 34.75. So you can confirm that the actual value and trend value will be very much near. Sometimes it will be same, but many times, most of the times, it will be very near to the actual value. There is not much difference between the actual value and the trend value. So these problems have solved about 3 yearly moving average and 4 yearly moving average. Now you can see the last and final problem, that is 10th problem. Calculate 5 yearly moving averages of number of students in a commerce college as shown by the following figures. So again we have to calculate moving average, but 5 years. Previously we have done 3 years and 4 years. 5 year is also an odd number of year. So easily we can get the centered value. So only 3 columns, just like 3 years, we can prepare for 5 years moving averages. So year number of students, see carefully, year 2006 to 2015, and number of students are 332, 317, 357, whatever is given in the problem, same thing I have taken here, first 2 columns as given in the problem. Now 5 yearly moving total, first 5 years we take and find out the total. So 332 plus 317 plus 357 plus 392 plus 402. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 years total is 1800. This 1800 will be put in the center of this 5 year. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The center is 2008. So against 2008, I am writing 1800. The first 2 years will be lost. So we have to take the total of the 5 years, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now leave the first and then again 5 years. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 317 plus 357 plus 392 plus 402 plus 405. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 5 years total is 1873. So 1873 is corresponding to the year 2009. Now drop the second year also. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 410. So 357 plus 392 plus 402 plus 405 plus 410. The total of these comes to 1966. Center is 2010. Like this, we have to calculate the 5 yearly moving total. First year we have to drop and the next year we have to include. That way we have calculated the 5 yearly moving total. Now already centered, this 1800 is against 2008. 1873 is against 2009. So already it is relating to a particular year. So we don't require 2 period moving total. That column of 2 period moving total is required whenever we have even number of years, like 4 years, 6 years, 8 years. If even number of years, one more extra column is required for centering. But when odd number of years are given, it is already centered. So the 2 period moving total column is not required. So this is the total of 5 yearly moving total. Now we need average. So divided by 5. All these values should be divided by 5. 1800 divided by 5. You will get 360. 1873 divided by 5. You will get 374.6. 1966 divided by 5. 393.20. These are the 5 yearly moving averages. That's it. So totally 10 problems I have explained on this topic of time series analysis. Already 2 videos I have uploaded on theoretical concept. What is time series? What is the utility of time series? What are the components of time series analysis? And how to calculate the straight line trend or secular trend. And then I have explained about mathematical model of time series. All these topics I have explained in the first 2 videos. Then problems video, first 1 video I have explained about the freehand semi-average. Then I have done some nearly 5 to 7 problems on least squares method and 3 problems on moving average. So if you watch all these videos, definitely you will feel more confident in attempting the problem on time series analysis. So apart from this subject of statistics for management, I have uploaded so many videos for MBA and BBA like financial management, operation research, operation management, and different subjects videos, international finance, all these accounting for management, all these videos you can find in the playlist. So apart from the BBA and MBA, for BCom and MCom subjects also I have uploaded. So share my channel among your friends, among your group, so that more students can watch the video and enhance their knowledge. Give a like to this video. Subscribe if you have not yet subscribed to my channel. Inshallah, I'll upload the next subject in the next video.